Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dr. Robinson again, and we are going to learn how to post an assignment to Google Classroom. So let's get started. First thing you have to do, sign into your Google Chrome account so that way we can get on the internet. Remember, go to the website www.bigideasmath.com. So let me go to Google Chrome, and I'm just going to type Big Ideas Math. There it is. And there we are at the login page. Let me get, excuse me, my user ID in there. My password now. And we are logging in, so it's loading up the page. All right, there's some maintenance I see coming up, so be aware of the date. All right, here we go. So let's go to the three lines here, and we have our resources, and our one we're dealing with today is the assignment tab. So just click on assignments. There's our book. So we want to create what's called a new assignment. Over here to the right corner is the new assignment. We want to either create a practice examples for them to do, or a practice assessment, or progressions benchmark. So we want to assign homework. So we want to give them practice in our topic of study. So we have our Common Core book we're talking about, 2019, our book. So the book's available to us. Um, I'm dealing with the seventh grade book. So we want to select chapter. We happen to be working on chapter 2 and lesson 2.1 we're working on. So there. So now as it populates, it gives you a choice where you can assign exercises and concepts as problem solving. So you can assign what you desire. I desire to assign exercises. So I can click on assign all 50 exercises for them to do if I wanted them to do it, or I can actually just select certain questions. I can select down here to the left bottom odd questions, even questions, day one assignments versus day two assignments. Um, Suppose I have different level students. I want to vary my levels. I may want to pick some advanced questions. Notice it changes and shows the questions that are advanced for them. And like here's a fraction, find the distance between 2 and -3/5, -1 on the number line, write your answer as a mixed number. So that would be considered advanced. You can again scroll down to see what other advanced questions they have for them available. Here's a good one about you be the teacher. So it gives all levels proficient. If I just wanted proficient, let me click off the advanced and get rid of those. And if I wanted proficient questions, there's one about modeling real life. So it gives us various levels for the students to deal with. So um, so we can select our questions. So suppose I want to just select a few questions from the advanced and proficient. So I don't want to assign all 50 questions. Maybe I'll just assign a few. So I did like this one. So I'll select that. You just check off on the box where you want to assign. Usually you'll see a lot of examples. Here, there must be something going on in the software, but usually there are a lot of them available. So hopefully they'll get that bug fixed. And so here's another one, and this one's good. Those are good advanced questions. Let's see what's on the bottom. I did like you be the teacher. I thought these were good. So here are my 5 questions I think I selected. So let's see. All right. And you do have the option of creating questions. So now that I selected those questions, I have to add to my assignment. So I got 5 questions there that I selected. You can preview it, see what you selected. I'm not going to do that this time. And now I'm going to assign this to the class. So it once you click that button on the right, assignment, it shows you your questions that you selected. And now all you do is click assign, and it says enter an name for the activity. So activity, let's see, um, rational numbers continued. Rational numbers continued. All right. So now we have our activity name. So let's assign it. So let's see what we got here. Select the chapter. Again, chapter 1, chapter 2. And we're saving this activity. If there's a certain tag you want to put on it, um, something about maybe, I think it was multiplying rationals. So that way you have a tag to it and you can always refer to it. Now we're up to the activity, practice activity. So uh, we are in, this is my period 2 class I'm selecting. So uh, I can select all the students to get it, and that's usually what we select. And only a few of my students have gotten on so far, so we'll hopefully get the others. You can set a start time whenever you want. So suppose I want to set this for Friday's homework, and I want to do on Monday, and I can even set a time. So let's go down here and set a time. I like it at by 8:30. So it starts on Friday, and it'll be due by Monday by 8:30 a.m. Um, Here's some other items you can check off. If they need help, you want that available. Check answer limit. You can the number of times the students can answer their question. So you may want to have that up. Is there a limit? Suppose I'd like them to try it at least twice. So you give them 2 attempts. You want them to use a calculator, check that. Yes, they can use a calculator. Um, on submission review of the assessment, on when they submit it, they can review it and get the answers after they've tried it. So let's see, anything else? Um, so attempts, um, Desmos, that I believe is uh, the programs and the utilities that are there, so you can disable them if you desire, or even leave them on. There's our tag, topic number, topic. If we want to enter a message, uh, like show all work on a separate paper to be collected. And now click assign. And nice work, you've created an assignment. You can create a new practice assignment or go to that. Or what I like, you can share this to Google Classroom. So if we click this to Google Classroom, share, it'll automatically get us a Google Classroom update. So we can choose our class. It goes to our Google account. Period 2 is the class that has an assignment. Choose an action. Let's see, create assignment, and let's click go. And there's your rational numbers continued there, period 2, as assigned, and complete the assignment on paper to be collected. Show all work. All right, and you can assign a point value to it if you want to grade it, or you can leave it as ungraded because you're going to collect it and check it anyway. Date due, you can put that in there. We said it was due the 8th, and you can put your time in there at 7:30 or 8:30. I think it was, I wrote 8:30 a.m. Okay, and now that's there. So topic, rational numbers is our topic. So we're talking about rational numbers. And now it's there. Myself, I like to include a video about it. So I will go to PKMS, Dan Robinson. What is that? Multiply integers. And hey, there it is. It comes up. I just add that for good measure, so that way they have a resource, but there are videos on there that they can use, and I assign. And it's assigning. You have posted to your class. So that is how we use post an assignment to the Big Ideas textbook to Google Classroom. So I hope you got something out of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope it wasn't too long. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel on YouTube. My channel name is Dan Robinson. Check out some of our other study videos. Math Prep 18 is a pretty good video. I think you'll like it. Thank you again for watching. Enjoy your view.